I learned to design websites on my own just by watching YouTube videos, as in no courses, no institutions, no certifications. But now if I reflect on my past, I remember that I used to watch YouTube video and side by side I used to try those things on my WordPress website. If that video is teaching how to create a page or how to design a blog, I would do the same on my personal website. And that's how my journey started. But at that time, things were not as easy. Now, if I want to learn WordPress dashboard or WordPress, I don't want to manage the technical aspects of other things. But the reality was different. When we are learning about WordPress, we were forced to purchase a domain, then have a hosting service, install WordPress on that, and then proceed with your WordPress designing journey. Now, for those who don't know, domain means the name, as in google.com, pritishpawar.com, all those website URLs that you see, they have a domain. And you have to register them, like as in just in simple way, you have to link them to a place where your website is installed. That website is always installed on a hosting service. So we need to configure that. And then after installing WordPress to it, that's how you get access to your WordPress dashboard. It was that difficult. But guess what? Now things are much easier if you just want to start learning WordPress. What you need to do, just go to try.new on your browser. That's it. I will show you how. Try.new and press enter. That's it. And boom, that's it. You have direct access to WordPress. Now you can just create posts, maybe design landing pages. If you want to see how things are here, I will just see the theme. As you see, theme is installed over here. Then you can have plugins as well. Okay, no plugins are there, so it's a blank website, and it's pretty interesting to see the exact WordPress dashboard without literally doing nothing. Now you can install themes, plugins, or design the things that you want. So even if you have a project, if you just have something in your mind, you want to create a landing page for that, just go to this try.new and you start to try a new project. That's it. So you don't have to go to the technical hassle of the hosting, domain, purchase anything, nothing, not at all. You just get started with your design of landing page. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.